All right, 6:16. Listen, another change that I'm hearing about is a really nice stretch of weather. I mean, 60s and sunny, Russ. We need it.
I heard about it too. Now, I got to ask you something. Now, before you moved here, had you heard the word grapple before?
I hadn't.
Yes. It's a big word, and Betsy Kling has been using it a lot over the past 24 hours. It was really coming down there for a while.
I still say yesterday was the day the nerds won, because we actually made a little bit of a social media buzz, and the sportscasters on the Browns game ended up using the word grapple. Wow. I guarantee you they had never used that one before. So how you like Cleveland now? Learn it. All right, mostly clear skies to continue for us. We will have some clouds passing through. Temperatures staying relatively steady in the upper 30s by the time we pass the midnight hour. The wind is actually helping us tonight because it's not allowing the temperatures to fall off a cliff. So we're staying warmer because the wind, it keeps the air mixed up. We have very brisk winds, though. That is a bit of a problem, especially east of downtown, clipping along the lakeshore. So there is a wind advisory till 1 a.m. for Lake and Lakeshore Ashtabula counties, but the rest of us still have a breezy night ahead. The wind is not helping us because it is still cool, and that's driving the wind chill even lower. We do have wind chills that are flirting with freezing right now over toward the state line area. So a crisp night here in the CLE and areas around. We're not alone in this. You can kind of see where the blue stretches south all the way towards Charlotte, where they're in the 40s, mid 40s in the nation's capital. Freezing mark up in Maine and parts of New England. Meanwhile, farther west, things are warming up a lot. It's actually looking pretty good there. Now, there's a look at some of the clouds we'll have tonight. We will have some high clouds passing through tomorrow, but look at the trail that these clouds travel way up into central Canada. This is under a ridge. It's a big bubble of warm air in the atmosphere, and it is sitting over us as we head through the latter part of the week. So as far as the switch goes, we're going from that cool where we were in the blues to firmly underneath the yellows, because we have a significant warming trend that is coming all week and straight into the weekend. Now you see the western half of the country will then end up getting cool weather, and you know that the atmosphere is always trying to balance itself. It's one of the coolest things about following meteorology. So you got to say, all right, where is the cool air other than the western U.S.? Well, it is all banked here into northern portions of Siberia, which is exactly where we would think it would be. But you know, if there's a whole lot of cold air sitting well off to the west of us, it will eventually dislodge and come our way, and it looks like we could be several weeks, maybe about 3 weeks or so, from our next cool down coming our way. All right, here's your National Design-Mar hour-by-hour forecast. Mid-50s tomorrow, a few clouds passing through, but clear skies to continue. And your Universal Windows Direct forecast, I mean, mic drop. There you go. Sunny, 60s, 70s. I only need a minute for weather the rest of the week. Back to you.
San Diego. Yes.
San Diego.
Kind of like that, exactly. All right, Betsy. That escalated quickly. Thank you.